Hello guys, in this video we'll know about what is ChatGPT. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. What is ChatGPT? Will it replace the Google? Is this a future Google? What is it and how we can use it? ChatGPT is an AI based search box where we can search anything. It will automatically learn ways of searching methods. Suppose if you are looking something, it will accordingly search as per our needs. It will be very helpful for students and research scholars, and I think it's bad for teachers because students will be all updated all the time. Now let us see how its interface looks like. You have to first open your favorite browser and you have to search ChatGPT, and here you can open the first link, ChatGPT, and here you can see try ChatGPT. Click here. Now if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to first sign up. I have already signed it up. I can use now login and click here continue. Now write something you want to search. For example, we will write what is Google and click enter. Now you can see it will display the information like someone is dictating you. Google is a technology company that is known for its search engine, which is most widely used search engine on the internet. Now search something. For example, write here y 4 plus 2 equals 6. Click enter. Now you can see it shows 4 plus 2 equals 6 because that is the result when you add 4 and 2 together. The plus sign is a mathematical symbol that indicates addition. As you can see, it behaves like someone is telling you. It's like a human is telling you on the other side of the internet and sends you the information as per your logic. So I think it is very nice. It is getting popular day by day, but people are saying that it will replace the Google, but let us see what will happen. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.